guys, it's Kara. Welcome to Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. And today we're going to be talking about spoilers for the regular Boxycharm box for September. I released a previous video on this and I'll link that in the description box below. But we also have some more new information. And if you are not subscribed to Boxycharm, you should just know that it's a $21 a month subscription box and you get free shipping. And if you sign up by the end of today, which is the last day of August, by 11:59 Eastern Standard Time, then you will receive this two-piece bonus, which is the $32 Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette, as well as the Luxie brush set, which is a three-piece set, and it's worth $30. So that would be a sign-up bonus. It's good for new members and also returning members, so long as the returning members did not cancel during July. Okay, and then if you guys sign up tomorrow, which is September, then this bonus offer will be off the table. But if you do sign up today, you will get this bonus offer, but you'll also get the August box. So I'll leave a link down below to what the August box contains. Okay, so let's move forward to what our spoilers are. This box is said to have a $145 value, actually over $145 value. And the big item will be a palette. So this is going to be a variant. And you will get one of three, and you do not have a choice which one you will get. One will be the Violet Voss Essentials palette. It's a 10-pan palette. It's new. And I don't have a price on it, but there is a similar palette. It's a rainbow. It's called the Rainbow palette. It's not the Rainbow Mini. It's the Rainbow palette. It's at the Violet Voss site, and it's worth $30. Then the other option is that you can get the Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette, and that one is $45. Okay, and then the latest information to come in is that one of the three palettes that will be in the regular box could be the Too Faced Natural Face palette, which is quite beautiful. The value on that is $44, and it has two contours, two blush, two highlighters. And if I didn't say before, the Tarte palette is worth $45. So let me know down below in the comments which one you're liking for this. And also at the end, I'm going to tell you about the Ulta half-price sales that start tomorrow and how you can get some of your favorite Boxycharm items in that sale. So we'll do that at the end. Okay, so for item number 2 is a variation again. You will either get the Hank and Henry Slick With It liner, and it appears that there's only one option, and that is the Blickety Black. And while I couldn't get a definite price on it, I just researched a duo and some other things he had on the site, and I'm kind of estimating that that liner is worth $17. And if you don't get that liner, then you will get a MAC Bullet lipstick. It will be in a frost version, and the shade is CB96. Now that has a retail value of $18.50. One of the latest, I think the latest news on this box is which Dr. Brandt item is going to be in the box, okay? So the Dr. Brandt item is going to be the Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleep Mask. It's supposed to be great for reducing redness and irritation. And what this was actually shown in a Boxycharm ad, and it was shown in a tube. Okay, so this is where it gets a little interesting. So if you go searching for this online, the only thing you'll find, and I'll put up the photos, is you can find it at Sephora and at Ulta. Both have great reviews on it. You can only find it in a jar. And at Ulta, it indicates that it's a 1.7 ounce product and it's worth $52. Now, I also found out by watching some YouTube videos that someone received this product in PR in the tube, and their product was 1.7 ounce. So, I mean, could we consider that a $52 item? I mean, I guess we could. I mean, tube versus jar. I mean, it's pretty much the same thing, right? So now it gets a little interesting, because with Boxycharm saying that the value is going to be over $145, we can take a look at what the three things are, the value of them, and try to guess what could be the two remaining items. So we have those three palettes. Two of them are $44, $45. One is $30. So let's just say that we have like a $44 palette. Add on, say, a $17 lipstick. Add on that $52 Dr. Brandt item. That's $113 right there. That Dr. Brandt item basically takes up over 1/3 of the value of the box, right? So if we had $113 for three products, then that means that we could be left with maybe $27 for the two remaining products. So what could the two remaining products be? I think this is going to be the last of the spoilers, frankly. I don't think that there's going to be more spoilers. I think that the fourth and fifth items aren't going to be particularly exciting. I would love for them to be exciting. I would love for them to be something really cool, regardless of what the price is. But just considering that there are already expensive items in this box, an expensive palette, an expensive face mask, I'm thinking that the fourth and fifth items are going to be low-cost items. And I think that they might not tell us ahead of time, because they don't usually do that with their like so-called filler items. Like, they just kind of turn up. Okay, so the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale starts tomorrow. You can find a list of it at Ulta.com, 21 days. By the way, this is not sponsored, but I just wanted to help you guys out, because if you happen to get your box early and you really want that natural face palette, it's going to be half price. It's going to be $22 on September 8th. Also, if you did not get the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Serum in your last box and you were bummed out and you really wanted it, it's half price. September 9th, it will be $19.50. You can also get your hands on the Becca Hydra Mist. That'll be half price on September 3rd. But if you're already a Boxycharm member, then you already got that in your August box. And you know, there was a Dose of Colors matte liquid lipstick a few months back. I personally did not get a shade that I liked. But on September 19th, those will be half price. So that will be $9. And I can just go in and choose any shade I want, right? So I wanted to tell you guys how you can get some of your favorite Boxycharm items that you might have missed in the past for half price. So happy Labor Day weekend. I hope you're having a great Friday. Let me know your comments down below, what you think about the spoilers. which ones you're hoping to get, and please like this video and hit the subscribe button, because there's always going to be spoilers coming out, and if you hit the notification bell, then you'll definitely know when the videos get uploaded. So thanks so much guys for watching, and I'll see you at the next video.